All right, it's gonna be a quick video on a garden hose repair. So you can see here's our garden hose. See it's got a leak. It's had it for a couple of months now. Tried to wrap it in duct tape, didn't do anything. Stopped it for a little bit, but still leaking bad. So I picked up one of these things at Home Depot for about $7, I think. See they're a 5/8 inch to 3/4 inch repair mender. I'll put a link in the description below to one on Amazon and the one I got at Home Depot. And so this basically, you cut out a section of hose, put this on either end of it, and clamp it down, and it's supposed to fix. So let's see if it works. All right, first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut out a section of bad hose. So mine's wrapped in duct tape under here somewhere. I'm gonna use these Fiskars shears I have. I've had these for, I don't know, 5 years. They're pretty awesome. Recommend them to everybody. I'll put a link to these also below. But yes, I'm going to use these to just basically cut this section out. Now going back now. Okay, so that was pretty easy with these shears. All right, there's the hose. All right, next I'm going to open this up. So you can see it comes with a clamp that goes on one end, clamp that goes on the other, and then there's this barb fitting that goes in the middle. And so this goes inside. I'm gonna get a little bit of like WD-40 to lubricate these to make it go on the hose easier. All right, so just spray this down so it slides in easier. Just kind of wiggling this back and forth. Ow. Okay, that was close. Make sure you put these on first, actually. So unscrew this and slide it over each end of the hose first before you put the barb on. Just simple Phillips screw each of these. This is nice. They've got two different styles at Home Depot and online. Ones that use these nice fittings you see here, and ones that just use kind of standard cheap hose clamps with sharp edges and stuff. I read that these are a lot nicer because they don't catch on stuff and cut stuff. All right, so that was close. So I got my clamps on now. Now you can put the spigot on. I almost got it on before I realized, and I was forgetting that. I think the best way is to kind of slowly rotate both ends like that. Maybe back and forth, and that'll work it on. Slowly. Basically, the best way to do this is just grab it and just do real wide pushes back and forth. Eventually, it'll work itself shut. Just bending it up and down. And you can slide these over it. Loosen these up all the way and clamp it down. All right, keep loosening. So they get over here. I actually have to take them all the way apart. Okay, bring it up there. And then just tighten this down. Uh-oh. It's not, hope these screws are long enough. All right, so there it is. Recommend doing it all by hand so you don't strip out these screws. Make sure you apply pressure as you're screwing it in. Push down on the screws, but that's what it looks like from the side. So you see they don't close up all the way. So let's go see if this works. I'm gonna turn the water on. All right, I've got the water on and no leaks. So I'll probably run this for a week or so. My wife wants to do some pressure washing, so we'll do that and make sure that this holds up. And if it's all good after about a week or so, I will post this video and consider this a job complete and repaired. So thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful.